Hey UTV Boondockers, I'm out here and I wanted to share a passion of mine, something that I've been wanting for a really long time, property in the Upper Peninsula. So when we take the side-by-sides out and do our boondocking, typically it's in the Upper Peninsula. It's really rural and it's the best place to do stuff like this. So we've been coming up here for years and years and I've always dreamt of having property. Finally, I was able to find some property and this will be the UTV Boondocker base camp. Plan to build a cabin. We'll have a series covering that, but don't worry, I'm not going to stop with any of the players general type videos. I think those are still valuable and I really enjoy making them, but we're also just going to have another segment on building the cabin, which will be for our base camp. There's so many trails up here, it's a beautiful area, so please like and subscribe and follow us. There'll be a lot of videos to come. I'll try to do as many as I can, being that it's just about winter 2021. You may not see a ton, but we do plan on building a stick frame structure to have up here while we're building our cabin. That way we can enjoy the property, enjoy the trails, and we'll have a place to stay. So follow along with that. We're going to be building it piece by piece, and then we're going to bring it up here and assemble it after we put down the foundation and so on. So all of that will be recorded. I'm doing a lot of research now to make sure I do it as right as I can, and I'll share any of those. So please comment if you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like to know about, see, and like and subscribe to support the channel. We really appreciate that. Thanks and have yourself a great day.